Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn the least common multiple of the algebraic expressions. Before you are learning this lesson, you have to prior knowledge about the factor. I don't teach factor lesson in here. If you don't have the good knowledge about the factor, I think you will be difficult with this lesson also. If you don't have knowledge about those type of things, you have to revise before learning this lesson. Okay. uh, I am going to explain the least common multiple of a number. I think you have done that part in your grade 7, least common multiple of number. So what is the multiples? What are the multiples? So find the LCM of these number. Before you are going to learn find the LCM of these numbers, I think you have to check you are going to find the least common multiple. Before you are going to find the multiple, you have to find what are the multiple of each numbers. 2. So what are the multiple of 2? You know, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, like that. These are we are calling multiple of the given number. So next one, 3. So you know that these numbers are the multiple of 3. You can write more and more multiple of 3. And 4, if you check the multiple of 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, like that. These are the multiple of 4. So they are asking what is the common multiple. Now you already know the multiple. Look at my laser point, and you are going to find the common multiple. What are the common multiple? 12 and 24. The next part is least common multiple. Now you can see here the common multiples are 12, 24, like that. You can write 36. If you check further, you can see 36, 48, like that. The common multiple can be right uh, this manner. Then you want to find what is the least one of this case. So which one is the smallest one? That is called the least common multiple. It is 12. So this is a very basic way we are finding the least common multiple of number. If you know the multiplication table, if you have a good by heart memory about the multiplication table, you can easily find what is the least common multiple of given number. So I think you can recall your memory. Grade 7, you have done LCM by factors. LCM you can find by factors. You can factorize, and LCM can be found by factors. So shall we check? So how do you do that? You have to divide by prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, like that. Number which can be divisible by itself, that is we are calling the prime numbers. You can divide prime numbers unless you get 1. You have done it in 7. Now next one we will check 6. I am going to find the least common multiple of 4, 6. Then next one is 9. Now according this case, you can write 4, 2 into 2. Look at this one. 2 multiplied by 2, it is 2 to the power 2. You have to write it as a power of the given number. It is easy. So 6, 2 into 3. You can't write it as a power of number because it is only 1. Power is 1. 2 to the power 1 and 3 to the power 1. Next one, check. 9 can be right 3 into 3. But I use these values. Look at here also, it should be corrected as a here 3. It is incorrect. This one should be 3, this one should be 1, this one should be 1. Here also this one should be 1. Okay, next one, then you can write 4 equal 2 to the power 2, 6 equal 2 into 3, 9 equal 3 to the power 2. How it's happened here? In case you have to, if you are writing these values as a power of the factors, then you have to find out what are the factors in here. Here look at this one. 2 is a factor of these numbers, another one is 3. Then that time you have to consider what is the highest index, that is called the highest order or highest index of this group. In group 2, what is the highest order? Look at this. You have to consider highest order. 2 to the power 2. Here what is the highest order? 3 to the power 2. In group 3, it is 3 to the power 2. So you have to consider highest order of the number. Then that time 2 to the power 2 is 4. 3 to the power 2 is 9. Your final answer is 36. You can go with this manner also. You have to think about the multiples of 4, you have to think about the multiple of 6, as well as you have to think about the multiple of 9. Then you can figure out what is the least common multiple of these three numbers. Okay, now I think you have done in the grade 9 another methods we are calling grade 7, division method. LCM by division method. So division methods meaning you too much familiar with this method. 4 6 times you write in one row, then divide by 2. Then it can be divisible by 2, you divide. If it is not divisible by 2, you don't divide here. This is cannot be divisible, this should be 9. It is incorrect. This value should be 9. Okay, then third one, if you divisible by 2, this is 1. Divisible by 3, 3 you can't divisible by 2, it is not changed, this should be 9. I will ask question from you when I am doing the Zoom meeting. What are the incorrect thing in my video? Okay, you have to consider here 9, here 9. Then 1 and 1 and 1. Now you can see least common multiple 2 into 2 into 3. This is the least common multiple of these numbers. I think this value also incorrect. This is also incorrect. Okay, so what should be here? You have to do it, redo it again. You have to do this value, this one, and find out. The answer will be not 12. Okay, this is incorrect answer. You have to do the you have to recorrect this question, and you have to submit what is the extract value. Okay, you can practice at home. Okay, next one, try to do your revision exercise in your textbook. You have to do the revision exercise in